Hi everyone, welcome to random videos on random times where it is not solving any human problems, but yes, it can help you for especially for people who are dealing with a lot of dates and duties and event plannings and schedules. So my video is about to just record this for my preference too in future in case I forget something. So this is about streamlining our schedules in terms of in Google Calendar. So why do we have to use Google Calendar? Because it's not like emphasizing that you have to, but it's very easy. It helps us to minimize the conflicts. It's very accessible on any devices, and it has a centralized schedules, and you have it on well planned to use to run your day. So what are the common applications? This can since I'm working in one area, so that's my role is being a faculty, so that's what my application is based on that. It can be for the event planners, it can be for the managers, HRs, and so many other people who are dealing with lot of marking periods, meetings, tracking the deadlines, preparing reports, and having schedules, events, and it's totally on that. And if in terms of if you are in teaching background, that scheduling time duties are very much important, right? So at that time you'll be having some 10 to 15 events planned for the particular month, and individually just jotting down into your phone or your going manually and clicking to that, it's better to be well organized prior. So based on that, you can work on those things. So I thought that this will help because I recently learned this, and I really was mesmerized by this because it just it reduced my effort of just manually going and clicking it. Maybe I am too late for this understanding, but then I thought that maybe there are people like me who would like to know about it. It's very simple, and importing the schedules to Google Calendar from your Google Sheets also are very easy. So once you set up, it is very easy, and you can share it with others, and you can encourage your colleagues or people who are dealing with this kind of things to be organized, and they save a lot of times just by adding the events. So this is a small just a glimpse of what I'm going to do it. So it's just a very 2 minutes work, just a 2 minutes work if you have well arranged your times and everything. So I'm just showing you. So since I work in one particular place where it requires me to go for evaluation duties, so these are my exam dates, and these are the sessions, and then subject codes, and regular arrear, and so on. These are my agenda for the month end and the coming month. So my duty dates are this, so I have to be there at that time. So it is a tedious task to manually type 15 duties and just jotting into my calendar, and then it is so time consuming. So I thought that better we should make it into a way which is very easy. So that's what go to your Google Calendar, Google Sheets. Okay, so here I have just copy pasted my work. That is the same thing, the event name or subject, and based on that you can write it. And then I have the starting dates and the start time. I'm assuming this time will start at 10 o'clock, and the end date and the end time. So these are in the format of your Google Calendar. These are in the format of the Google Calendar. So based on that, I'm going to work on to that. Next there is something called as description, and as you all know, you would be familiar with calendars. Any calendars will be there, that whole day reminder or all day event, location, and private. So this is a template I may based on the Google Calendar I have been providing over here. If you want this template, I'll be providing it into the Google in the description. You can take it, so that next time onwards you can just copy paste your work over here, and then you can directly import it into your Google Calendar. So this is based on that. And all day event, I just don't want it to be an all day event because I am having my start time and end time in one way, and then location I don't need to provide, and I don't think it has to be private because I'm going to however going to upload it in any way. So it depends on how you're going to organize your works. So this is my time schedule and everything. So once when you do it, I just think even if you just have this format, you can just do whatever you please with your schedules, and whatever based on your agenda you can just alter it. So that's it. And after that, you just come over here, and there is something called as download, and just download it into a CSV file. So once when it is getting downloaded, it will be in terms of calendar sheet. So it is in this format. So you just don't need to do anything like correcting A to Z or anything. Just leave it. Okay. Once when you are downloading it, you have to do it over here. So there's something called as other calendars over here. You just have to click the plus mark over the other calendar. So here there is something called as import, right? So you can just click the import, and then it says that select file from your computer. So right now it is in my downloads. I'm just gonna click it and then open. So it's already uploaded, and then you have to just click the import. Once when you click the import, what happens, I'll show you. So my valuation duty was on 26th, right? So let me just check whether it is there. So it's on 26th. See, already the things have been scheduled up properly, so you don't need to worry about it. So this is 26, 27, 28, 29. I even have valuation duty on 4th, 5th and 6th. So yeah, so this is very less compared to manually just sitting and feeding it into your system. So obviously then I'm also having on 11th. Let me just check whether it's on 11th too. 11th of December. Yeah, it's there. So this is just a simple task. I think you can make use of this trick, and you can really sort off your time, and it would be very easy. So let me know if this has helped you in any way, and thank you for watching. Sorry for such a clumsy video. I don't know, I just when I find information, I just want to share it. I just don't worry about what is the outcome of it. But then if these instructions are very clear, then it's okay, right? Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.